all messed up, okay? So you want to make absolutely sure that that white paint underneath is dry. Okay. Alright. I have some little lines here I'm going to have to clean up. I'll clean up that though after the recording here. Now, I'm going to decorate it a little bit too. The top of my eye, I'm going to make out of a gold star. So I'm just going to freehand that gold star in there. Now I may go back and do another coat on top of that when that dries, because I see some white lines in here and I don't really want those white lines to show. I want it to be smooth. Alright guys, the next thing I do, I put a little bit of decoration around the edges in areas where I feel like the balance is not right. Okay. There. And I'm going to balance it down here at the bottom. I'm just putting little dots. You can put lines if you want. You can do anything you want to do. Alright guys, we are done. The only thing left to do now is we're going to put our wire on it. Now I'm going to let this dry for a little bit before I actually try that wire. So, let's see if we can... Let's see. Here's my wide brush. Okay. Let's see if while we're waiting on this to dry real quick here, let's see if we can get this next one ready while that's drying. As you can see, I'm just slapping some white paint on here, and I'm gonna put the thickness of it in the middle, and then I'm going to pull it to each side to feather it to the side. Okay, lightly feather it to the side. Then buff out the middle. Alright, when that dries, I'll do one more coat on top of that. And then this will be ready to do the dark edge around the edges and to put the lettering on top. Alright guys, let's check it out now. Okay,